Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Karan and today in this video I will tell you about trademark dilution. Trademark dilution is a form of trademark infringement where the well-known trademark owner has the exclusive right to prevent others from using their mark. It occurs when an illegal party uses a trademark in a way that would diminish the trademark image. Dilution protection is intended to safeguard a sufficiently strong and well-known trademark from losing the sole association in public's mind with a specific product. So there are two different types of trademark dilution. Number one is blurring. It occurs when the uniqueness of a well-known trademark is diminished due to trademark created by an illegal party. Second one is tarnishing. It occurs when an individual or a business illegally uses a mark in an inappropriate, violent or strange content. The act of trademark dilution by way of tarnishment is always regarding strong, recognized and well-known trademarks. This has the effect of weakening or reducing the strength and recognizing the trademark value. There is no need to set up the likelihood of confusion as to the affiliation, source and connection. Now let's discuss about doctrine of trademark dilution. The doctrine is unique and independent. The basic object of doctrine is that there is an assumption that the relevant customers being to link the trademark with an original and different sort of products and services. The doctrine of trademark dilution leads to a principle in trademark law that protects a trademark from any disintegration. According to doctrine, to set up the dilution, the petitioner has an obligation to prove that the infringer has used a mark or logo that is clearly identical to the well-known trademark to monetize from the goodwill and image of a known trademark. Second one is the economic damage has been done by failing the value of famous trademark. The dilution word has not been specifically defined in the Trademark Act 1999, but section 29(4) of the Act states the meaning of trademark dilution. This section tells that if a trademark has an image in India, then the use of mark identical to it, even the products of services which are different, constitutes infringement or violation. As such, use without due cause would take unfair benefit of a reputed trademark or harm its unique character. So this section assumes that a registered trademark is violated by marks, which similar to a registered trademark already having an image in India and use concerning products and services which are not similar or identical to those for which the trademark is registered. Second one is when any individual takes undue benefit of a renowned mark or mark having a unique character. Now I will tell you some exceptions to trademark dilution. There are some conditions under which the violating mark shall not be actionable as dilution. This comprises conditions where the mark is used to parody, criticize, entertainment purposes and educational purposes. Such cases may come under the vision of expressive or nominative fair use. Therefore, they cannot be considered trademark dilution. Moreover, promotional activities that permit customers of a brand to compare products or services are allowed and will not be actionable as dilution. The power conferred on the well-versed trademark owner is known as the concept of trademark dilution. This philosophy will help in protecting the company's image and prevent illegal acts that may happen over time. Such known enterprises contribute to the country's GDP, and it's the responsibility of the administration to defend them against competition and other misleading practices. I hope you like this video. For more updates, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.